Welcome to my channel. How to set up Synology WRX560 dual band Wi-Fi 6, easy method. Step 1. Unbox and place the router. Take out the Synology WRX560 and place it in a central, open location for best Wi-Fi coverage. Step 2. Connect power and internet. Plug in the power adapter, then connect your modem to the WRX560's WAN port using an Ethernet cable. Step 3. Turn on the router. Switch on the router and wait until the status light becomes solid blue. Step 4. Connect your device. Use a phone, laptop, or PC and connect to the default Wi-Fi name printed on the router label. Step 5. Open the setup page. Open a browser and go to router.synology.com or 192.168.1.1. Step 6. Start the setup wizard. Click Start Setup, then follow the on-screen instructions provided by Synology. Step 7. Create admin account. Set your admin username and a strong password to keep your network secure. Step 8. Configure Wi-Fi name and password. Choose your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. Step 9. Update router firmware. Allow the router to check and install the latest firmware for better performance and security. Step 10. Finish and test connection. Complete the setup, reconnect your devices, and test your internet speed and coverage. That's it. Your Synology WRX560 Wi-Fi 6 router is now ready for fast, stable, and secure internet. Thank you for watching.